Hello again, everybody, and welcome back. We are continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. Again, there's a link in the description, or you can find it on Amazon. I do make a small commission if you make any purchases of this book. So it looks like today we're on puzzle 44. Let's just start with this column here. 1, 2. Looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 3 and a 5 there. So this must be our 9, and that 5 means this is our 3 and our 5. If we work on this box, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. This 4 is covering here, so our 4 has to be here. We've got an 8 there, so 7, 8. If we do this row, looks like we're missing 1 and 7. That's 7 there, so 1, 7. If we do this row, looks like we're missing 1 and 8, and I do not see any help, so we'll put our placeholders in. 1, 8, 1, 8. Let's work on this column. Looks like we're missing a 1, 3, and 9. This 3 means the 3 can't be there or there, so it must be here. But we've got our 9 there, so 1, 9. So this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is what we're missing. So that 7 means 6, 7. For this box, looks like we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 there, so 2 and 8. All right, let's do this row here. Looks like we're missing a 2, a 3, and a 5. That 2 means it can't be here or here, so this is our 2. But we don't have any other help, so 3 and 5, 3 and 5. If we work on this top row here, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 5. That 5 means it can't be there or there. So our 5 is here. We've got a 2 here, so 3 and 2. That's not helping us out further down yet. So if we work on this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so we're missing 7, 8, and 9. This 7 means 8, 9. That 9 means 7, 8, and no help here. So 7, 8, or 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 there. So 4, 6, a 6 there. So 1, 4, and a 4 there. So 1 and 6. Work on this row here. Looks like we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 9. Got a 1 there, a 5 there, so 6, 9. A 9 and a 5, so 1, 6. 1. So 5, 6, 9. A 6 here, so 1, 5, 9. All right, if we work on this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 9. We've got the 4 and 6 there, and a 9 there. So this is our 5. We've got the 5 here. So 4 and 6. And so then if we look back at this column, this is the only place our 9 can be. Oh, actually that's not right. We said 4, 6, and 9. The 9 can still be here in this box. All right, let's work on this column. We're missing 1, 4, 8, and 9. We've got 1, 4, and there's our 9. So 8, 1, 4, so 9, 1 here, so 4, so this is our 1, our 6, 4, so we can get rid of that 4 there. That 6 makes this our 1. So then we can get rid of this 1 here. So this column 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 there. So 3, 7. If we do this row here, we're missing 1 and a 4. Got a 4 there. So 1, 4. That 1 makes this our 8 and 1. That 8 makes this our 7. So we can get rid of, is there anything? That 7 we can get rid of there. All right, if we do this row, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 there. So 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 9, and this our 8. That 9 means this is our 5. And 3, 5. And since we have that 6 there now, this has to be our 9. So to finish this off, 1, 2, we're missing 3, 6, 7. Got 6 and 7 there, so 3, 7 there, 6, 7. That 6 makes this our 9, and this our 6. All right, everybody, thank you for joining me again. Please do like, subscribe, and hit that reminder bell. It does help the channel out. And join us back here again tomorrow when we will work on our next puzzle.